Just as a cow would, this man in Derby area in Naivasha has now been reduced to feeding on grass. The unidentified man caught the attention of many who watched in shock as he munched away the unusual meal. According to witnesses, the man's actions can be blamed on him having been bewitched after allegedly having stolen 15,000 Kenyan shillings from a neighbor.
Haya, tuambie nini ulifanya? Ulifanya nini ndio upate kukula hizi nyasi?
Mimi? Kwani mimi nakula nyasi?
Police were forced to intervene, forcefully removing grass from his mouth to prevent him from choking.
Mamako anaitwa nani?
Memory ndio inapotea ndugu.
Hebu kunywa maji ndio uongee.
The suspect was taken to the Naivasha police station briefly before being transferred to the Naivasha District Hospital for treatment as police investigated the claims of witchcraft. A similar incident occurred in the area last year when a man who had allegedly stolen a donkey in Kongoni area started feasting on grass after he was reportedly bewitched. Josephine Minor, K24 News.